Power of technicals. Once again, levels worked out beautifully as we shared yesterday. Only sell, only confirmation of bearishness below 72.6, while one can stay long above 72.6 levels, the greater resistance levels. Precisely, it has gone and created lower highs and in fact traded above 74.4 level. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect from oil today? Is it going to rise again? Is it going to break out beyond 74.5 and 75 zone? Or we can see a possible reversal? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates and do like, share, and comment. And yes, if you think that the content is adding value to your trading decisions, you can support the effort which I'm putting consistently on time every time so that you can all profit. You can become a member of this channel. That is a great support from your side. The join button is there on the channel page. Just join the memberships here. Let's start. Now see on the early charts, we can note that 74.4, 74.5 appears to be a greater resistance. We can see prices reversing from these levels twice. Thus, this makes or strengthens the strength of these levels here. Thus, we have to wait for it oil to break past by 74.5. That is very, very clear. Now, what is happening here? See, after that, lower highs are getting created 74.2, and now it is aspiring to achieve the 20 period moving average. Since the prices were divergent from the 20 period, it is just trying to touch these levels. Also, we know 73.6 is a greater support zone. Thus, it is clear that only selling entry today is below 73.4, below which we can look forward to 73 as the first target, 72.6 as the next. But let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic dropping vertically, MACD crossing over for sell again, and see the waves here. And this sell off can bring more bearishness. RSI looking down, coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2-hour charts as well, after consolidating here for oil has started or resumed its downward journey. Possibility for it to achieve this zone here at 73.4, 73.6 is high. As we have seen it here, it can replicate the same move here, but now the moving averages are at slightly higher levels. Thus, we have to watch out here at around 73.4, 73.6 zone. Stochastic dropping vertically, MACD trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI very near to the top, near to overbought levels. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3-hour charts, yes, there is a step getting created. Also, see before we proceed, how easily and simply one can analyze the charts and how easily and simply one can take the trades. If you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 28th mentorship batch starting in first year, in starting in the first month of next year, that is 2024 January. Be a part of it. Skill, equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategy so that you can also trade profitably and trade comfortably. Reach out to me for more details. Visit my platform www.forexfunda.com for more details on the mentorship batch. Do not miss this opportunity because learning is the investment which can reap the profits to you throughout your. Now look at 3-hour chart. See lower highs here, resistance very very intact, and lower lows. Now see the bullish candles and the bearish candles. Look at the difference. It is trying to form a flag. It can try to trade in this channel here, in this zone here, where on the downside support levels are now going to remain stronger as long as 73, 73.2 zone is not breached. Yes, that is the level below which you can find the bears again. Be careful here. 73, 73.2 zone. Yes, and possibly achieving those levels, we can again see is flying high, where on the upside 74.5 is the level which it should break in order to confirm the bullishness. Also, one must note, see 20 period moving average looking upwards, there is a crossover between the 20 and 100 as well, and prices are again and again trying to take the support from the 20 period. That is a good sign. Stochastic is overbought, and that is why we can see a couple of more red candles. The MACD is also at high here. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. But look at, see preceding moves, you will find oil has always tried to limit itself between these highs. It has never breached beyond plus 50 levels. Whenever it has breached beyond plus 50, it has always shown a very very stronger bullish move on the upside, and that should be treated as a reversal. So right now we have to watch out more carefully. If a crossover appears, it can take the prices or plus the prices strongly on the downside. RSI looking down, coming to 4-hour. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, lower lows here, consolidation going on. One breakout is seen. Once the prices stays below 73.7 levels, in fact 73.8 levels, when the higher price is below 73.8, we can expect a little more drop towards 73.6, 73.4, and then towards 73. 73 is going to be the greater support for the day. Just be careful around 73, 73.2, and below that we can look forward to 72.6 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD is still divergent and bullish. RSI is also near to overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart, before you look into the daily chart, see, before the week beginning itself, in my weekly webinar, we have discussed that oil, and in my weekly review as well, we have discussed that oil has found a bottom and it is looking forward to a reversal in prices. That is what has happened right now. Oil has moved towards 74, 75 zone. Also, I have mentioned in my daily update and my weekly review as well that 71, 75 levels are going to be a greater resistance. So more of such details in across indices, commodities, and dollar. We look into it holistically in my weekly review and webinar. And I also take up your live questions. So do not miss to register for the weekly webinar series. It also comes with an offer to get two live consultations, one-to-one consultations with me. In fact, even one single consultation, one-to-one consultation can reap you profits and get out your investment. So just register for the webinar series. Do not miss this opportunity to be part of this offer as it is going to end soon. And if you want to trade as per the signals, you can join my Telegram signals channel as well. All of these details available on my page forexfunda.com. Do visit the page or do join my free Telegram channel. Now coming to the daily chart, see higher lows, lower highs. Very clear, we have to wait for a breakout above 74.5 levels. Once you see the price is staying above 74.5, this time we can look forward to in fact $76 levels as the next target. But just be careful at around 75, then 75.5, and then 76. These three levels beyond 76, sky is the limit. Oil is reversing and it can continue to rise high. You have to just keep shifting your stop losses here. Now prices also seen taking the support from the 20 period moving average, thus sitting at 73. Thus only below 73 is where you will find the bears here. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish. I have mentioned yesterday and in my daily review and in my weekly review, see the double bottom levels, and from here the prices might reverse, and that is what is happening. RSI is rising as well. In fact, we have forecasted that in next 2 to 3 months the oil prices can in fact go towards $100 levels as well. Be careful, it is reversing, more bullishness may prevail. Now, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Watch the next update before the US session. And for the day, the selling entries at 73.7 can be taken, but with caution. 73.4, 73.5 levels, first support levels, then 73. Only bearishness is below 73, where one can look at 72.6. Very, very, very strong support exists there. Take your trades accordingly. On the upside, beyond 74.5, stick to your buys 75, 75.5, 76. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session update. Thank you.